I have the True Nature Pollo Asado chicken thighs here. So we froze this. I just wanted to give you an estimate, like an idea of how long this takes. We're going to just thaw it in a water bath. It is about 9:40 in the morning. So I'm just gonna run cool water in here to start thawing it, do more of a gentle thaw. You can see the heating instructions here. It is super fast once it's thawed. About 2 minutes. So we're going to thaw this out a little bit and then try it out with tacos. So this took about an hour to thaw in that water bath. You can obviously thaw it faster if you want to throw it in the microwave. But then this says it only takes about 2 minutes to heat up. Stir every 30 seconds. So we're just going to show you what it looks like here. Again, this is a decent amount of meat. It is a pound, but it should be enough for our lunch for a family of 4 here. So we'll heat it up and we'll see how it tastes on tacos, just to kind of show you what it looks like as it's coming apart. And it's got a really good smell. It smells like Mexican food. So this was even less than 2 minutes. And you can see it's nice and warm. We have a gas stove, so it might heat a little bit faster than some other ones, but we can do it without burning ourselves here. We're gonna have a taste test.
Oh, that's very good. Got a really nice Mexican flavor to it. You can taste the cumin and the chili, good balance. But you can tell the marinade really soaked into the meat they sent. We're gonna put it on a quick taco here and have ourselves lunch.
So we went from a frozen block of meat to lunch in about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and a half. If we were smart and had just thrown it in the fridge yesterday instead of trying to thaw it this morning, it really would have only taken like 5 minutes or however long it takes to assemble a taco, basically. I'm gonna do my taste test because you already saw one of them. So I'm gonna do mine on the taco. It is super flavorful. I really like, I don't need to add any sauces. I feel like normally we do a lot of seasoning and then I feel like we still want like salsa or taco sauce or something. I feel like these you don't need anything. We just added lettuce and cheese. Maybe some veggies if you want, but delicious, super easy lunch. Would highly recommend. We'll try out some more recipes with different flavors of their food. Be sure to check the link down below the video or my profile for a coupon code. It's $40 off your first order of True Nature meats. So thank you for joining me.